I don't feel well. You should rest. I have a fever. Let's check your temperature. My head hurts. Do you want some medicine? I have a sore throat. Drink some warm tea. My stomach hurts. Do you need anything? I feel dizzy. Sit down and rest. I'm nauseous. Do you need to lie down? I have a cold. Stay warm and drink fluids. I'm coughing a lot. Do you need some cough syrup? I can't stop sneezing. Do you have tissues? I have chills. Here, take a blanket. I'm shivering. Let me get you some warm clothes. I have a runny nose. Here are some tissues. I'm really tired. You should get some sleep. I need to lie down. Let's find you a comfortable spot. I have a headache. Would you like some painkillers? My body aches. Try to rest and relax. I'm not hungry. Do you want some soup? I feel weak. Let me help you. I can't sleep. Maybe you need some warm milk. I have the flu. Have you seen a doctor? I'm vomiting. I'll get you some water. I have diarrhea. You should stay hydrated. I have a rash. Let's put some cream on it. I'm short of breath. Let's go to the doctor. I have a bad cough. You need to rest. I need to see a doctor. I'll make an appointment for you. Can you take me to the hospital? Yes, let's go right now. I need some medicine. I'll get it for you. Can you call my parents? Sure, I'll call them now.